Conversation 1. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to know more about your hotel. What are the rooms like?
We have standard and deluxe rooms.
Can you tell me about both?
Sure, they're similar, but the deluxe rooms are bigger and have a living room.
What are the amenities? What comes with each room?
Both rooms have a flat-screen TV, a mini fridge, a coffee maker, and free Wi-Fi.
That's good. Does every room have a balcony? I need fresh air.
Yes, all rooms have a small balcony.
Okay. And how about bathrooms? Does either room option have a bathtub?
No, neither room has a bathtub, but both have a large shower.
I see. And do both rooms have a large bed?
Yes, all the rooms have a large bed.
Perfect. And what about the view? What rooms have a view of the ocean?
There are standard and deluxe rooms on both sides. Some face the ocean, some face the city. Both views are very nice, however.
I see. Thank you. In that case, I'll book a standard room with a view of the ocean if you have one available.
It looks like we do. Let me assist you with that. Conversation 2.
Where do you buy your clothes?
I buy my clothes at the mall.
Why don't you buy your clothes online?
I like to try on the clothes before I buy them.
I see. Do all the shops have a changing room?
Most do, but not all.
Does the mall have many shops for men?
Not on every floor, but there's some on the second floor.
I'll have to check it out. I usually buy all my clothes online.
Well, next time I go, you can come with me.
That sounds fun. I'd like that.
Conversation 3.
I hear you visit Thailand often?
Yes, I love the country. I go there every chance I get. I love the beaches there.
What is the weather like in Thailand? I want to visit there and stay on the beach.
Thais joke that there are 3 seasons: hot, hotter, and hottest.
Really? What is the best time to go? I like hot weather, but not really hot.
Well, each season is pretty warm, but the dry season is not too bad.
When is the dry season?
It is from December to March. It's sunny almost every day and cool at night.
What about the other seasons?
The rainy season is from August to October.
Oh, is that a bad time to go?
No, not really. It does rain every day, but only for a few hours in the evening.
So, there's the wet season and the dry season. What other season is there?
There's the hot season from March to August. That's when it's really hot.
So, if I go to Thailand, I guess I should go in dry season.
Perhaps, but that's when all the tourists come. So all the beaches are crowded. Conversation 4.
How many students do you teach?
Every semester, I have 100 students, with 25 students in each class.
That's a lot of students. Do you know all their names?
Yes, each and every one, but it takes a while to learn them.
Wow. How can you remember them all?
I try to call on each student every day.
That still sounds very difficult.
I also try to learn a detail about each student. That helps a lot.
How long does it take to learn all the students' names?
For most classes, I can learn all the names in about a week.
Wow, that is impressive.
Not really. Anyone can do it.